Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Unbanned on Wizz app, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Wizz app on your phone. All you gotta do is simply open up your app store first. Make sure that your app is updated because sometimes that can cause the issue. Gonna go ahead, search Wizz right over here and check out whether it asks you to update it or not. If it asks, simply tap on update and you're good to go. Other than that, you're gonna go ahead, go back and simply open this app up and go to profile, simply settings, and scroll down all the way and simply log out. Once you have done that, you're gonna access your settings. Go ahead, go to search bar, type in storage, and now simply search for your particular Wizz app from over here. Tap on show all. There we go. Now some tap on this offload app. Simply offload your app. That will also remove all of the unnecessary cache files, which will also make your app work easier and way faster. You can also choose to simply delete the app and again reinstall it and sign in and you're good to go. That is the method you can do it. So it will simply solve your app problem out. Make sure to try them all and you're good to go. So that is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.